Action cameras are the most portable and ruggedized type of camera to capture your daring stunts out in the wilds. Whether you want to shoot extreme outdoor adventures or underwater excursions, you'll need an action camera as they're tough and portable enough to get your job done. While buying an action camera, there are a lot of options to choose from. In this video, we'll be talking about the best action camera you can buy in 2021. So, without any further delays, let's get started. The list starts with Akaso Brave 8, an affordable and capable device for well capturing your adventurous moments, as it offers an incredible range of features and quality for the price range. As it comes to build quality and durability, this action camera is around 30mm thick, and holding it will feel pretty strong as well as durable. This camera can be submerged under 10 meters of water without any extra protection. With its 1550 mAh battery, this action cam will deliver you up to 90 minutes of 4K video recording while weighing around 4 ounces. Performance-wise, this action camera comes with a 1x2" CMOS sensor that can capture up to 4K videos in 60 frames per second. A variety of video modes are available to choose from according to your preference, allowing you to capture more crispy, vivid, and lifelike moments. Its built-in microphone is the major upgrade from the Brave 7, having a really good quality microphone that can capture your voice more precisely. Overall, the Akaso Brave 8 is a huge upgrade from its predecessor and definitely worth the buy for its price range. If you're looking for the best affordable action cam, then Akaso Brave 8 is for you. Next on our list, we have the Insta360 Go 2, the best action camera known for its compactness. This wearable action camera is designed to capture all your moments without much hassle. Talking about its design, this tiny capsule-shaped camera looks very minimal and lightweight. It comes with a multi-purpose casing that can be used as a stand after flipping the case or a mini screen. Coming to its picture quality and performance, Insta360 Go 2 has improved way better than its previous version. It can capture QHD videos in 30 frames per second with HDR support, which is more than acceptable considering its compactness. It can provide you with 30 minutes of runtime that can be increased when using it with the case. This action cam comes with a special feature called Flow State that uses the EIS technology and can be an alternative to GoPro's Hypersmooth. Although you won't get the Steadicam feature of the Hypersmooth, Flow State's performance is great. In conclusion, compactness and performance-wise, this is a great device, and if you're looking for something compact and wearable to capture your moments, then the Insta360 Go 2 is for you. Although the GoPro Hero 10 is out there in the market with some solid feature upgrades, still, the GoPro Hero 9 is a great choice according to price and performance if you don't need the 4K slow-mo video option. As it comes to design, this camera has a sturdy and solid build quality with a 1.4-inch display, which can be useful for vloggers in addition to the 2.27-inch main screen. It weighs only 5.6 ounces and has 2 foldable fingers, allowing you to mount the device according to your wish. Performance and feature-wise, this camera comes with a removable lens, allowing you to replace it with different filters and lens mods. It can shoot up to 5K resolution thanks to its 23-megapixel camera. Furthermore, its built-in microphone can provide decent wind noise reduction to present your adventure better than ever. So overall, the GoPro Hero 9 is a great choice as an action camera, as the price of this camera dropped upon the release of its successor. If you're looking for something like that, then this is a worthy buy. As the successor of the last product, GoPro Hero 9, this one has some significant and commendable feature upgrades from its predecessor, making the GoPro Hero 10 a worthy buy with some extra cash. By looks and performance, the outside of the GoPro Hero 10 is not that much different than the Hero 9. This weighs 5.3 ounces and looks identical to its predecessor. Although this one has a new and improved GP2 processor that'll allow you to take 5.3K videos at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames, and 2K at 240 frames per second. One of the best features of this is the upgraded image stabilization known as Hypersmooth 4.0, allowing you to tilt the device up to 45 degrees and still your video will be smooth enough, so you can go wild without any hesitation with the device in your hand. In the end, we can say that the GoPro Hero 10 is a worthy upgrade as it comes to features. If you're looking for higher resolution video quality and can sacrifice the battery life or can manage extra space for the battery, then this action camera is for you. Last in this list, we have the best of the best action camera you can buy right now, and it's called the DJI Action 2. DJI offers quality, durability, and compactness all inside this little chassis. This is the most versatile, powerful, and reliable action camera we've listed till now. Build quality and design is unique from the other products. It has a strong magnetic modular design that lets you swap your accessories seamlessly. You can add another screen as well as mount and many more accessories just by attaching it to the main body. Surprisingly, the main body of this product weighs less than 2 ounces, making it the most lightweight product on this list. This wearable 12-megapixel action cam can record up to 4K videos at 120 fps with 155 degrees field of view. Its horizon steady feature is like GoPro's Hypersmooth, able to reduce motion blur from go-karting to dirt biking. This device is dust-proof and up to 10 meters waterproof, but using the waterproof case will extend it up to 60 meters. To conclude about the DJI Action 2, this device is handy, versatile, feature-packed, and undoubtedly the best action camera you can find till now. So if you're really into wild and outdoor videography and want the overall best action camera, this is for you. So that was all about the best action camera in 2021. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.